Playdate.
All right, Pete the kitty and the Groovy Playdate.
Why are you so skinny? You got some more.
Look,
Now
Pete
skinny.
the kitty jumps out of bed. I cannot wait. Grumpy Toad and I have a groovy Playdate.
Wow.
Hey, Grumpy Toad, I'm ready to play. It's going to be an awesome day. Pete wants to play Grumpy Toad's cool blue truck. Zoom, zoom, vroom, all around the room. But Grumpy Toad starts to whine. That truck is mine, mine, mine. Pete the kitty says, no worries, that's okay. I'll find something else to play. Pete finds some blocks. Let's build a city, says Pete the kitty. But Grumpy Toad starts to whine. Those blocks are mine, mine, mine. Pete the kitty says, no worries, that's okay. I'll find something else to play. Pete sees a superhero cape. Far out. Have no fear. Super Kitty is here. Whoa.
Super Kitty.
But Grumpy Toad starts to whine. That cape is mine, mine, mine.
He's so grumpy.
Grumpy Toad has all the toys and Pete has none. This play date is just not fun. Pete is sad. Pete is blue. He thinks about what to do. Grumpy Toad, wouldn't it be better if we were playing together? Grumpy Toad says, my pile of toys has grown, but it's no fun playing alone. Grumpy Toad thinks all the fun he and Pete have together. Yes, sharing would make this playdate so much better. Grumpy Toad shares his truck with Pete. You push me and I'll push you. Zoom, zoom, vroom, all around the room.
Look at Pete the kitty.
I see him. Grumpy Toad shares his blocks. Here are the blocks, Pete the kitty, for you and me to build a city. Look at that. Whoa.
I mean city.
Oh. Grumpy Toad shares his cape. Okay, time for superheroes to save the day. Have no fear. Wonder Toad and Super Kitty are here. Let's see, it says our toys. They're sharing. Grumpy Toad shares all his toys with Pete. They play and play and play. What a groovy, awesome day. Thank you, Grumpy Toad, for sharing your cape, your truck, your blocks. Wow, sharing rocks. Look at that. They had fun, huh?
They're neighbors.
They're neighbors. Very nice. The end.
Hey, who's this?
That looks like the author.
No, I didn't. That was like your dad. Daddy, who was your daddy?
The end.
Is it he was Dennis?